Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new, stunning LUTs for Luminar and Photoshop. The ultimate set for wedding photography and portraiture. Inspired by classic tones and traditional film, we created these portrait LUTs to keep the natural coloring and white balance very close to reality. Bring a specific atmosphere to your photographs, enhancing them. Matte, black and white, soft, vivid, studio, cinematic. With these amazing portrait LUTs, it is easy to find a groundbreaking style. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. If some LUTs are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new beautiful portrait LUTs collection.